assemble a timber loader. Ready. Let's fuel the timber loader. Press the pump. Don't stop. This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. We need to wash the timber loader. Keep it up. Let's assemble the dressing. Done. Now let's load the empty bags onto the dressing. You're doing really great. Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. We need to wash the dressing. That's all. Let's assemble the minecart. Let's load the materials into the minecart. Amazing! We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Now let's wash the minecart.